So, nobody taking me up on the QR code things. Does everybody have a QR code scanner? Does anybody not know what a QR code scanner is? You're thinking, what in the world are you talking about, Mr. Mead? We're all good there? Okay. Too much stuff in my pockets. All right, so here we are. Here's the syllabus. Now, I have two syllabi. This is the short form. And this is the one that's you might want to bring home. To show people, description, CS50, also known as Computer Science, AP Computer Science Principles, Introduction to Intellectual Enterprises of Computer Science and the Art of Programming. This course teaches students how to think algorithmically, and solve problems efficiently. Topics include abstraction, algorithms, data structures, encapsulation, resource management, security, software engineering, and web development. So that's a lot to pack in a year. One note is, while we do go through a number of different computer languages, you're going to understand how these languages work. There's a lot more to learn. We don't go super deep into them, such as the AP Computer Science A class, which goes deep into one language. So I would recommend taking both classes if you're into this. Doesn't matter which order you do it in. Okay. Languages include C, PHP, JavaScript plus SQL, CSS, and HTML. We're not going to really get into any kind of object-oriented programming. Again, that'll be in your AP A class. Problem sets, which are your assignments. Problem sets are inspired by real-world domains of biology, cryptology, finance, forensics, and gaming. CS50 is designed by Harvard University and has been adapted only in organization, all right, for a high school schedule. It is for concentrators and non-concentrators alike of computer science with or without prior programming experience. Jenny Barnes over at Wasilla just sent me an article. I don't know if I told you about this yesterday. GE, did I? GE, General Electric, large corporation. I did tell you about that. Okay, they are only going to hire people. They employ 30,000 people. They're only going to hire people who can code. And it doesn't matter if that's what their job is. They need people to understand that process. So the job market is going to get increasingly where you need these kind of skills no matter what you do. At least understand what's going on. Okay, so expectations. There it is. You're expected to submit all writing assignments, problem sets, quizzes, and a final project. Boom. So the problem sets, if you look at the Harvard site at cs50.harvard.edu, you will see there are 9 problem sets. But within each problem set, there may be 3 or 4 different sets within there, or problems within there. So rather than doing 9 problem sets, we're going to break those down into individual assignments. The other thing is how this differs from Harvard is that, you know, they do it in a semester, we're doing a year. They also have a year version of it where you can do half of it one semester and half in the other semester. And then, but they only meet twice a week. So they meet twice a week for lectures, and then they have something called office hours. Office hours is just an open study hall time. Students who want to come in and have help can come in and get help from the graduate assistants, from the teachers and whatnot. Our office hours are going to be Monday and Friday. Our lecture days will be Tuesday and Thursday. Supplies you need. Some method for taking notes. You're still going to want some kind of a notebook. Whether it's digitally or on actual pen and paper. I do